Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Chandra Ox. In this today's video, we're going to learn about how to design this shock observer with spring animation in Onshape CAD software. Actually, we do not have a specific assembly feature for this spring animation, but we have a trick to do that. So let's get it started designing this. Okay. I'm just going to stop this animation. So I already have the shock observer design with me. Okay, if I had all sketches and show all the parts, let me. Oh, okay, so here I already have the required parts. Okay, the only thing, the main focus to get the animation, you have to do one thing, which is just hide the parts as it is. So, uh, let me. So I'm just suppressing the split. So this is a spring. Okay, this is the actual spring. Okay, let me hide this one. So this is a single part actually. So in order to achieve this animation, the whole coil should move, right? So in order to achieve that animation, I just created a center plane and using the split feature to split the spring into two halves. Okay, and I created an assembly and add revolute joint for each one. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, let's create a new assembly here. Or else I'm just deleting this once again. I'm just going to copy this assembly by duplicating it. Okay, now I got everything. I'm just going to delete every feature here. Shift, select and shift the last row and press delete. So every feature got deleted. Now each part works differently here. So if I new them, so they're separate. Okay, so this is the fixed part. Let me unfix this, and there you go. Okay, so first of all, let's fix the head and the bottom part of string. Okay, I'm going to use partial map for this. Selected this edge and this one as we co-splitted each other, so there is no worries here, so they get attached correctly. Okay, let's do the same thing for the bottom one. Send to the face and make it stick together. Now the part works here. Okay, let's fix this one. Now I'm going to fix this to this part using the loop mate. So this face and this fix, and maintain the limits values. So I'm just going to give the value to -4 to minimum and 4 to maximum. So they should only rotate 4 degrees up and 4 degrees down. Okay, you save it and do connect every uh, part of the coil with a revolute made like this on opposite sides and maintain the same limits for every revolute made connection. Okay, let's do the same thing for every part to be connected like this. Okay, And once you connected everything just like this, so this one, and give the limits value to plus 4 and 4. You can give the more values as you want. I just choose 4. Okay. So let me show you the simple animation for on here itself. You see, the spring is low. Okay, let me connect these one. I don't want to make the complete spring. So I just want to explain you how does to make it. Okay, I will just complete with, let me add this and keep the limits as 4 and 4 done. I'm let you connect this one directly the last one. The same limit value minus 4 4 thing we have given to this. Let's maintain the same limits minus 4 and 4 and done. So I don't want these coils anymore and just deleting them. So let me animate manually. Okay, so one part is already fixed. Put the parts of the spring. Let's switch to shock observer and going to have this one and this one. You don't need more parts. I'm just going to delete this little map and so I'm going to fix this part here or else send the pass to make, select this edge and select this edge, change the direction and reset. Now instead of unfixing and fix this one, let's fix this part. Okay, you don't need to fix any part here, just unfix this. Let's select the stage, need the center. Let's keep it any center value like here, solve and change the direction. Need to change direction. Yeah, now it's fine. So in order to make it slider node, I'm going to use the same slider. Select this stage to this stage. Keep solve. Save it. I'm going to animate the slider mate. Okay. It's the same. Okay. Let me fix one of it and try animating once again. Tap and yes, always there is a problem with the Onshape software. It cannot calculate the assemblies correctly sometimes. So this is the animation. How does it works? Just like how I planned here. Let me animate from my side. L. Okay, I don't have a. I so just like here, I just animating this side on mate, and it is not reaching the complete value. It is only reaching to the max on 2. mean mm, where we have 25 So if I try manually, it's moving as long for. Okay, as like I install the shock absorber to the car chassis with horizontal suspension. Tried animating it, but it's still facing the same error with the animation. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't work. But if you try manually to move, come on, let's move, buddy. Don't understand this sometimes, please. My PC is already making such a sound to calculate these rendering. So here it is. So if you see, it is reaching its maximum value for suspension. But in real, it is not calculating. It might work, sometimes it might not work. When it works, I will definitely make a video and will show you via shorts. Okay, that's all for video. This is how you can make an spring animation on Onshape CAD software. Not only in Onshape, in any CAD software you can approach the same except Blender because it works different. Okay, that's all for video. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching. Oops, I should control.